Now let's watch it. This is the table given A, B, C, D, E, F, and now we have these attributes, these FDs. What is the candidate key? So first thing is, let's see if everything is there in the right hand side or not. A is there, B is there, C, D, E, F, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F all are there on the right hand side. So I cannot start with any minimal things. I should start with one attribute, candidate keys. So if you see this with one attribute, right, only possibility is A, isn't it? If I get A, then I get all of them. If I get any other, either only B or only C or only D, only E, only F, they are not going to say get anything. I think you are following this. See this. What I mean to say is, if I have to find out, single attribute candidate keys, I have to find out the closure of all this, isn't it? So only A plus is going to give me something other than A, because A is present as the attribute in the left hand side. That is why A, B, C, D, E, F, right? But if you look at this B plus, it will not give you anything other than B, because B is alone not present in the left hand side of any FD, right? So B is not going to give anything other than this, right? And what about C? Same thing. It will not give you anything other than this, right? So this only one is possible, which is A. Got it? Which is having single attribute. Now next step is, let's see how many candidate keys will be possible with two attributes. Now by looking at this, it is very clear that if you take two attributes, only BC might be possible and nothing else will be possible. See, one thing is, if you are trying for the next level, that level should never contain A, right? A should be removed, and other than A, you have to take all this, and out of all these, you are supposed to take two out of them in order to get the two attribute candidate key. So you will get only these two, right? So if you get only BC, if you take BC, then only you will get something out of it, because only BC is present here as the left hand side of some production, and no other production is containing two attributes other than this one. This one is already excluded, right? You cannot include A as a part of any key, therefore we are not talking about it. Now in the remaining two productions, you will get something other than just those two attributes only when you take BC, right? So therefore, if you take BC plus, let's see what all we get. One thing is I get BC, another thing is I get ADEF, right? Now A, B, C, D, E, F, everything is present here. Therefore, BC can be a candidate key. So A can be a candidate key and B can be a candidate key, right? Now why is only BC possible is, you can test it out. Other than A, you take any combination, let's say DE, no, we cannot get anything other than this, because no left hand side is formed either with D or E or only with DE, right? Therefore, you can take any two attributes and you will see that you will not get anything other than this. So with two attributes, I get only one candidate key, which is BC. Got it? Now I want to test for three attributes, right? When I go for three attributes, I am not supposed to have either A as a part of it or BC as a part of it. Therefore, other than A and BC, if you try to get any three attributes, right, you can see that only one attribute which will give you something other than that is DEF. So only for the combination DEF you will get something which is not what I mean to say is, only for DEF you will get some more attributes. If you take any other three combinations, you will not get anything on the as the closure. The reason is this is the only production, right, which is having three attributes other than ABC, right? So now if you take DEF plus, you are going to get DEF and ABC. So you are going to get everything. I hope you are following. It is bit logical. See, I hope that you are following this. The reason is why only this one is possible is, you can take any other thing other than ABC. So other than ABC, which means if your key should not contain ABC, maybe you take B, right, and don't take C, because that is going to make it a super key, and then you take D and then you take E. Then what happens is, with this combination, if you go with this, there will be no production which contains only this, right? So that is why only this possibility is there. So we have as three attribute only this possibility. So as of now we got one is A, other is BC, and other is DEF. These are the candidate keys, right? And in fact, these are actually the attributes also, isn't it? So every attribute is a prime attribute, right? Okay. Now, what is the prime attribute is if it is a key attribute of prime attribute means if it is a part of a prime this candidate key, right? Now I want to go and test if I can find out any candidate key with 4 attributes. Now if I have to make candidate key with 4 attributes, see this, either I have to include this and then include from this something and from this something, or I have to include this and this, but once I include A, it will become a super key. Therefore you cannot use this one, right? And you cannot use BC completely in order to make those 4 attributes. You can either use B or you can use C. Are you following it? You cannot use A completely and you cannot use BC completely. Either you can use B or you can use C, right? Similarly, you cannot use DEF completely. Either you can use 2 of them. Now what happens is, see this, if I have to make a 4 element set using these elements, there is no way you can make it without including at least one of them. That is the problem. Without including at least one complete candidate key, you will not be able to find 4 elements. Just check this. If you want the 4 elements, maybe if I take only these two, DE, right, then I have to definitely take BC. If I don't take complete BC, if I take only B, then I should definitely take A, right? So you cannot form any 4 element set from these attributes without completely including either this or completely this or completely this. Therefore you cannot form a 4 element candidate key. That will definitely end up as a super key, right? So that is where we are going to stop, right? If 4 element itself is not possible, 5 element is definitely going to include all of them or some of them, and it is again going to be a super key. So candidate keys are going to be only this, right? So it is bit logical. What I want you is you please reason it for yourself. Why no other single attribute candidate keys are possible other than A, and no other double attribute are possible other than BC, and no other triple attribute is possible other than DEF. You reason it yourself, right? And 4 attribute you cannot form without using any one of them as the building block, and 5 attribute you cannot form it, and 6 attribute obviously you cannot form it, right? So this is where we should stop. Got it? So these are the candidate keys. Now you can even work out on number of super keys possible if you want. Okay, fine. So this is how we can solve this.